I'm going to open up another 1988 Topps football sticker pack. Let's see if we can get that Bo Jackson rookie sticker. Superstar card side, James Lofton, Anthony Carter, a couple good receivers. Roger Craig, not too bad. Bernie and Gary Clark. And on the sticker side, we got a Dickerson there on the right in the silver foil. 34 on the Lions. The stickers don't come with names, so they're a little tough sometimes. Hey, Jim Kelly. There we go. And, all right, not too bad. Love the mystery of the sticker side.